Now let's add some sweeps to our wall, and we have a tool called the wall sweep, and it gives us what I've already created, a minor and a major sweep. And so the first thing I'll do is put in a major sweep, and it will probably automatically assign it to a level. It assigned it to level 1. It's a little bright in this view, but let me rotate a little bit here. And this is a custom sweep, and I'll show you actually towards the end here how we can modify that and how we can create it. And then the next thing we want to do is add these minor sweeps. Actually, while we're at the major sweeps, I'm going to add another sweep, and we'll come up here and add it to the top of the wall. It says no, but I bet it'll apply it. It does. And I don't like the way they're not coming off to the edge, but that's because of the way I've drawn the wall, the primary wall, and placed the other elements. So let's see if we can go to the site and grab that wall element. And I'm just going to drag it out until it catches the end of the pilaster that we have. And then if we go back to the 3D view, you can see that those elements now just go the full length of the building. Let's go ahead now and put in some minor sweeps. Minor sweeps are just what I'm calling them. They're just details. I don't like that I'm not getting an indication of where that's being located. Let me go ahead and place that and see what it says. And I really want it to be with no offset. So I'll say 0 offset from level 3. So it's sitting right at the right level. And if we zoom in here, you'll notice that these sweeps, this sweep, since it does not protrude all the way through the major pilaster, it gives the impression, or the major column, it gives the impression that it's just ending from one to the other one, where this one is extending out proud of that and gives the impression of being a continuous element. It's just another way to articulate that idea of facade hierarchy. So let's go ahead and copy these up. So I'll take this one up and I'll move it up the 14 feet. It's not going to let me do that, so we'll just attack this problem with another sweep. And if I was probably on a south elevation, I could probably add this sweep. It doesn't give me, it's funny, it doesn't give me an idea of a snap, but that's still not really a problem because we'll just go ahead and grab it and assign it to level 4 with no offset. So we know that it's right there. And we'll apply that. And so they are sitting up on top of the floor levels, and we might want to actually have them be the other way around. Let's take a look at now again at a 3D view to see what we've created. So there in a very few seconds we've been able to basically articulate a facade with a pretty rich amount of brick and trim hierarchy to it. So when I come back, we'll look at inserting some windows in this elevation, the storefront windows and the custom windows that we've created.